Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. So yes, I do have a Versace unboxing coming up for you guys. However, I did get a brand new, very weird special item, and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. After a year of waiting, my weird Barbie finally started to deliver, and I'm so excited because I did order 3 of these, and so far 2 did come, and I will be unboxing it for you guys today and showing you guys all the cool details about the weird Barbie doll from the Barbie movie. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So here we finally have weird Barbie, and as you can see, they are not opened yet, and I'm so excited for it. It's my genuine reaction, and I'm so excited. So I did get 2 of them. I technically did get 3, and the third one will be getting shipped soon, but you will see why I did order 3 of them. But without any further ado, let's open up the box. After 10 minutes of trying to open the box, I finally did get it open. It is so cute. I'm honestly so excited for this one. We can already see like her head peeking out. Of course, we have the beautiful box and the tissue paper, of course. And on the back of the box, of course, we do see the gorgeous Barbie dream house. Here we finally see weird Barbie, and she is so cool. Now, I will be taking her out of the box, and I am so excited to really get like all of the details of her. But let's take a closer look. So for all the details of weird Barbie, you can see that her shoe is up in the air because she is doing her really weird, funny pose. And it's so cool. I'm genuinely surprised that they put so much effort into the detailing of the doll and the character itself. Even her dress. Look at all the details on her dress. That is so cool. Her sleeves are genuinely puffy, and that's so cute. Her hair is totally kind of given like JoJo Siwa, but in like a good way because it's weird Barbie. But this is so cool. I love it. Totally like Kate McKinnon from SNL. And I love this one so much. Of course, we all know that I myself did have a weird Barbie. I do have an entire Barbie doll collection video of all my Barbie dolls where I do show my weird Barbie. Definitely check that video up on top. But this one is so cool. I'm so excited for it. Oh, okay. So the shoes itself are actually like a pleather. I kind of thought it would be like a hard plastic boot, but no, it's actually like a fake leather type material. Does the bottom of the shoe say anything? It does not say anything, and it does not have holes to stick the doll in like you could Bratz. It does have a doll stand behind her. You can kind of see it right there, and it is pink, so it will match her outfit as well. And this is so cool. Now, her dress, it is a little like, you can hear like the material. Kind of like a little nylon-like, but totally okay. Oh, she does have a skirt underneath, a tulle skirt. So super cute. And then her pink leggings. This is so cool. And then again, like the sleeves. The sleeves are actually puffy. So, she is so cute. I love her. So with her, I genuinely have to say that I do totally approve her. She did retail for $50, and she is made to order. So when they did make these, it was very, very limited. You had 1 month to put in an order, and they only made specifically how many people ordered it. So I did buy 3 of these. This one I'm gonna keep open. I'm actually gonna like take her out and like move her around, keep her on my dresser actually. And then the second one, I'm gonna keep her served in the box for like a collector's edition. But the third one I will be selling. And the fact that I'm going to be selling it, I know it sounds so crazy and stupid, but I will actually be able to sell it for like $500 or $1,000 because this is so rare. And even if I do hold this for like a year or 2 years, I could probably sell this for like $10,000 to like a real collector. Now, we all know the original Barbie, the original like from the 60s Barbie, did sell for I think $25,000. So if I keep her preserved in the box and having it such like a custom made piece, this is gonna be so valuable. So I am so glad that I have her, and I totally recommend it. Now, one thing that I do want to say is I finally have all of the Barbie movie Barbies. She is the last one I was waiting for. I do have 2 videos of the Barbie movie collection dolls, and I will have them linked right above, where you see every single doll from the movie collection. I'm talking about Disco Barbie, Cowboy Ken, Cowboy Barbie, even Sugar Daddy Ken. I have them all. And I am so excited to add her to the collection. So everybody say hi to Kate McKinnon's Weird Barbie, and this is perfection. Then on the back of the box too, you can see that it does come with a cute little like authenticity kit as well, and so cute, such a collector's item. So for the Weird Barbie, I have to say that I honestly do love it. Now I think she's gonna sit in the corner right above all my bags, and I'm just so excited. She is just so cute and so perfect. Now, the fact that this is finally here after so long, I'm honestly so excited about it because I did wait a year for this, and that is commitment. When you pre-order something a year in advance, that is really, really like, okay, you have patience. But I am so excited for this, and this is such a collector's item. I know that the value of this is honestly going to go through the roof, which is why I bought so many, to be honest. But I am so excited for this. I love it. Definitely comment down below how you feel about the Barbie movie and about the weird Barbie doll in general. Now, like I said, I do have an entire video where I go over all of my Barbie dolls, but also all of the movie Barbie dolls as well. Such great videos, definitely check them out. All my Barbie videos will be linked right down below as well. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Comment down below how you feel about this precious little one, and have a great day. Over.